Ever wondered how your brain works? Let's dive into the amazing world of the human brain. Our brain is a complex organ with different parts that have specific functions. First up, the cerebrum. This is the largest part, and it's responsible for thinking, memory, and voluntary movements. Next, we have the cerebellum. It's located at the back of your brain, and it helps with balance and coordination. The brainstem connects your brain to your spinal cord. It controls automatic functions like breathing, heart rate, and digestion. The limbic system includes structures like the amygdala and hippocampus, which handle emotions and memory. So, how does the brain process information? It's all about neurons. These tiny cells send electrical signals to communicate with each other. Information travels through neurons via electrical impulses and jumps across tiny gaps called synapses, using chemicals called neurotransmitters. Whether you're solving a math problem, moving your hand, or feeling happy, your brain is constantly processing tons of information at lightning speed. Pretty cool, right? The human brain is a powerhouse of activity, making us who we are. Stay curious and keep exploring.